Hi guys, Oppo is gearing up to introduce its next flagship series, in the form of the Oppo Find X5 series. The company is expected to introduce an Oppo Find X5 and Oppo Find X5 Pro variant. These devices have been targets of multiple leaks in the past few weeks, and now are stealing the headlines again. According to the latest leak, which once again discloses the specifications of the Pro variant, Oppo is borrowing some of the features found in the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro series, including the partnership with AMOLED. Oppo and OnePlus are part of the same BBK conglomerate. Therefore, we have been used to seeing these two companies sharing technologies. For example, OnePlus used the same 65-watt charging found on Oppo smartphones for quite some time. The main difference is that each company had its own name for the charging tech. More recently, OnePlus introduced its OnePlus 10 Pro with 80-watt charging, and the Oppo Find X5 series is also touted to come with this charging capability. These similarities have been known for followers of these two companies, and we only expect these devices to become even more similar since the companies merged in the last year. Now, a recent leak suggests that Oppo's upcoming flagship will also collaborate with AMOLED to improve the quality of its cameras. If you recall, OnePlus started this partnership last year, bringing the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro with AMOLED licensed cameras. The OnePlus 10 Pro repeats this partnership, and now, Oppo will also benefit. In addition to the AMOLED branding, the company will also introduce its MariSilicon X NPU. To those unaware, Oppo unveiled this NPU last year during its Inno Day event. It will bring AI improvements for the cameras on the Oppo Find X5 Pro. In fact, the big differences in the Find X5 Pro are mostly brought by the NPU and the software. According to the leaks, the Oppo Find X5 Pro will have the same hardware as the Oppo Find X3 Pro. This includes the 250-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensors. The MariSilicon NPU will handle image processing tasks and the omnidirectional autofocus system. The big difference probably stands in the third camera. The Find X5 Pro will bring a 13-megapixel TEL lens with 5x hybrid zoom. Worth noting that the main camera will be different since Oppo is picking the new Sony IMX709 sensor with 32-megapixel resolution, f2.2 lens, and 90 field of view. The Oppo Find X5 Pro also gets improvements in the battery department with a bigger 5000 mAh. With the already mentioned 80-watt charging. The display will be a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED with a Quad HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The phone mixes aluminum and glass, and has an IP68 rating, as well as Gorilla Glass Victus. The colorways will come as ceramic black and ceramic white, but both of them will be made of glass. Under the hood, we can expect the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, with up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. The Pro model will cost around €1,200. Worth noting that there is also an Oppo Find X5 with the MediaTek Dimensity 9000. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon.